Narito ang official new and improved complete lineup ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters para sa 2026 PBA Commissioner's Cup. Point guards: Anton Asistio, 5'10", 175 pounds, 30 years old, 7.1 points, 1.6 rebounds, 1 assist, 35% 3-point shooter, 92% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Andre Karakut, 5'8", 180 pounds, 30 years old, 4.3 points, 1.8 rebounds, 1.8 assists, 14% 3-point shooter, 68% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Adrian Nocum, star player, 6 feet, 167 pounds, 26 years old, 14.5 points, 3.5 rebounds, 2.8 assists, 1.5 steals, 21% 3-point shooter, 58% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Shooting guards: Felix Limeti, sophomore, 6'1", 170 pounds, 27 years old, 5.2 points, 2 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 0.6 steals, 18% 3-point shooter, 60% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Stanley Pringle, veteran star, 6'1", 185 pounds, 39 years old, 4.5 points, 1 rebound, 1.7 assist, 36% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Gian Mamuyak, rising star, 6'2", 165 pounds, 27 years old, 12.6 points, 3.6 rebounds, 2.4 assists, 0.7 steals, 29% 3-point shooter, 68% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Small forwards: Mike Malonzo, sophomore, 6'3", 185 pounds, 26 years old, 5.7 points, 5.6 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 0.6 steals, 43 field goal percentage, 72% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Jonard Clarito, veteran star, 6'2", 187 pounds, 30 years old, 13 points, 6.4 rebounds, 2.2 assists, 1.1 steals, 41% 3-point shooter, 74% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Sean Ildefonso, 6'2", 198 pounds, 28 years old, 2.6 points, 1.4 rebounds, 0.1 assist, 50% 3-point shooter, 5 games played in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Power forwards: Leonard Santillan, veteran star, 6'4", 210 pounds, 30 years old, 10.6 points, 6.7 rebounds, 0.8 assists, 0.8 steals, 33% 3-point shooter, 44% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Kaylan Tiongson, rising star, 6'5", 204 pounds, 33 years old, 10.8 points, 8.3 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 0.4 steals, 26% 3-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Christian Manaytay, rookie, 6'5", 205 pounds, 25 years old, 2.3 points, 2.7 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 42 field goal percentage, 33% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Ayon nga sa source na to, ay balak daw isign ng Rain or Shine si Musselman ng one conference deal ngayong Commissioner's Cup dahil kulang sila sa big man ngayon dahil sa mga injury. Vic Manuel, pending, signing, 6'4", 231 pounds, 38 years old, 4 points, 1.7 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 45 field goal percentage, 100% free throw shooter, 7.3 minutes per game in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Centers: Chris Porter, 6'5", 195 pounds, 31 years old, 2.6 points, 1.3 rebounds, 0.5 assist, 30% three-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter ni PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Bo Belga, team captain, 6'5", 280 pounds, 39 years old, 2.3 points, 2.5 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 0.3 steals, 17% three-point shooter, 62% free throw shooter ni PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Luis Villegas, comeback player, 6'7", 215 pounds, 28 years old, 2.5 points, 2 rebounds, 0.5 blocks, 25% three-point shooter, 40% free throw shooter ni PBA 49th Governors Cup averages. Kit Datu, injured list, 6'8", 220 pounds, 30 years old, 10 points, 6 rebounds, 0.7 assists, 1 block, 50% three-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Kadim Jack, pending import signing, 6'9", 235 pounds, 33 years old, 31.7 points, 10.7 rebounds, 2 assists, 1.8 steals, 1.2 blocks, 31% three-point shooter, 69% free throw shooter ni PBA 49 Commissioners Cup averages. Ito ang official new and improved complete lineup ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters para sa 2026 Commissioners Cup. Sa tingin niyo mga kababos, makaka-advance na ba sa semifinals ang Rain or Shine sa lineup nilang ito next conference? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.